how to list property on booking.com. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can register your property in booking.com. So in order to register or list your property in booking.com, first thing first, make sure that you have already created or registered for booking.com, and after that make sure that you also have a stable internet connection. So then to begin with, launch your booking.com or log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. Once you're on this page, go to profile, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see partners under it. And under partner, you'll need to click on list your property. Over here, you'll be taken to this kind of interface. Now to begin with, click on list your property. It's gonna direct you to a web page, and over here you'll need to go through all of these confirmation and statement. If you're sure about it, click on get started now, which is right over here. You'll need to provide in the email address first of all. After that, click on the continue button. Now you'll be taken to the other page where you'll be asked whether to continue with the same registration process or to list a new property. In my case, I have two different options if I want to register for a new property. After that, you'll be asked to select the country of your residence, your address. So type in your address. After that, enter in the zip code and then the city as well. Once you've gone through it, click on the continue button, which is right at the bottom. So over here, you'll need to go through all of these question answer session, go through it and then make sure to answer it correctly. So as already mentioned, you have to go through some question answer session. Make sure to go through it properly and then only click on the continue button. So go through it all and then register the rules and regulation also. And lastly, you'll need to go through our statement. Click on the continue button if you're sure about it, and it's going to direct you to this page where you'll be able to see all of these information. If you're sure enough, then click on the yes button and then click on continue. And with this, you've come to the end, so click on the continue button. All you have to do is just list your properties detail, and after that click on the continue button, and where you have to wait patiently until you get further notified about the registration process. In this way, you can register or list your property in booking.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.